feel good!
Okay, so here is the plan. I need to get my hair a smoky grey or smoky blue kindish color. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a conditioner and mix it with a permanent hair color cream and just apply that to my hair, leave it on for about 15-20 minutes and then wash it off, and then my hair will be tinted with the permanent hair color cream that I use. For conditioner, I'm using the Tresemme Thermal Recovery Nourishing and Renew Conditioner. Nice big bottle, and then I'm gonna mix in this Inecto Permanent Hair Color Cream, and this is just in black. So what this will do is I'll mix this in with my conditioner, and then it'll create like a grey tonish, blue tonish color, and then I'll just put that on my hair. As you can see, the base is quite light, not as light now, but then we'll see what the end results are. So let's go. Okay, so what's gonna happen now, I'm just gonna put on my gloves, and then we'll start with the conditioner portion. So I've got my mixing bowl as well as my brush. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in about, rather too much than too little, so about that much conditioner. And then I'm gonna take the colorant, put in, this stuff is quite potent, so put in about that much at first, and then I'll just give it a mix. The color does develop over time, so just giving it a good mix, because if there's clumps in, it'll transfer to your hair and you'll get like leopard spots hair, which I've had in the past. So just mix that up, make sure it's nice and blended, and then just add a bit more. I can see I need a bit more. As you mix it in, the color does develop. It gets like this purpley, weird purpley color. So I'm just gonna mix that to make sure that I'm happy with it. Okay, so this has sit for a few minutes. You can see there's a bit of a purplish tint. I can kind of guesstimate by now how I want it. I've done this a few times before, so I think I'm just going to add a bit more.
That feel good!
Okay, so the line is super weird. What I'm gonna do now, I've made my mixture, and now I just need to put it on my head. So I'm just gonna speed this up. All I'm doing is I'm just going layer by layer and just putting on this mixture. It developed quite a bit now. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna go. And then in terms of serums and creams and stuff, the two that I use the most is the L'Oreal Studio Line Hot and Sleek. I put this when my hair is about 70% dry, and I mix it with a drop of this John Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Formula Hair Serum. So just about a pea-sized amount of that, and I just put it from the middle to the ends. After my hair has been drying for about 70%, I just like to air dry it so that I don't damage it when I blow dry it. So we're gonna leave it for now, and then I'll be back when it's about 70% dry, as I said. So let's go. Okay, so the hair is about 70-80% dry. Now I'm just gonna add this L'Oreal cream, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair with this big round brush. Just
blow drying it, then straighten it, then style it.
But we'll get to that in a second. Let's go. No, you are.
No, you are.
No, you.
No, you.
Nee, jy is die demon, bitch. Okay, so now that the hair is blow dried, you can see my ends are still a bit frizzy. So I'm just gonna go over with this again. This is a very multi-purpose product. So I use it when my hair is wet, when it's almost completely dry, then I blow over it, and then I can put this on as a heat protectant when I straighten it again. So I'm literally using that much. Looks disgusting. So I just go in with that through my ends, making sure they are protected from the heat. And then going in with a flat iron, all I do is I just straighten out the perimeters of my hairline, because I do have somewhat of a curl or a kink in my hair, and then also the ends. And then going in with a normal iron. This is the Safeway Salon series, very inexpensive and works like a dream. So it goes up to 230 degrees, so I just go down by about 30 to 200. It is a bit safer than that higher number. So then I go section by section, just straightening through the hair, and then I'll go on to styling it with a curling tong. Straightening done. Next step is the curling iron. So I'm just quickly going to heat that up. So now I'm just going to section off my hair in half. I mean, depending on my mood, that'll determine how I curl my hair. But mostly what I do is I curl away from my face. So this is quite... I classify this as quite a small barrel. So what I do is I go from behind, from the back, divide it in half. In this section, most of the time I take 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And I curl it away from my face, starting in the middle and just going once. Keeping it there for about 10-12 seconds. And letting it go, just creating a small kink in my hair. Same with this one, only once. Keep it there for 10-12 seconds. That is what you're left with. I like the more kink in the middle and then straight ends. It gives it more of a relaxed beachy feel. So I'll just randomly get sections. Mostly I'll have the same amount on the one side as on the other. And then I'm taking the top part of my hair, dividing it on the middle, and then just pinning this side up and working with the one side and going to the other. So that's then this side done. The only section I don't curl away from my face is this front little piece. This one I curl over the barrel, so not under the barrel. And I just go around 2 times because it is a bit longer. I keep it there for about 8 seconds and let it go, then it just frames your face. And then I'll just check like these back ones, go in and maybe curl them again and go twice around the barrel. Then do the same on the other side. I just leave it there for a second so that it dries with a curl. I'm not touching them, I'm not spraying them with anything, just leaving them to cool down. And then this side is already cool, then I'll just give it a bit of a shake at the roots, just run my finger lightly through it, and then that'll be that. So that is then all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really love this color. It came out exactly how I wanted it, so I'm pretty happy. Please try this look out. I really love this. It's a very easy-going beachy vibe, and on day 2 your hair looks even better. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below on what color hair you would like, what color hair your hair is, and then please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and then subscribe down below. It'll help me out so much. Share this video with all your friends so that they can also curl their hair like this and feel beachy and nice, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.